Parking at nothing.
Do you feel yourself, I don't know, starting to die?
No.
Okay.
I feel a little loopy. I don't know why. That must
Probably
be the LSD.
it must be. Hopefully the tea will just make it all go away, right?
Counteract the LSD? Yeah.
Maybe.
I always thought jasmine tea was kind of like a drug, so with the two.
Well, we don't have
But the
jasmine
psychic
tea.
healing and the tea.
We have,
Oh, you know, ow.
we have the oolong tea hybrid.
Oh, that's true. Hi.
Hi.
I'm filming.
Are you?
Yes.
Are you really filming?
Yes. There's my laptop, currently unnamed. There's the devil chocolate trying to poison me.
I hit the whole thing, so if I die,
So Sam should die first.
I should.
Theoretically.
Theoretically.
And I've eaten second most, so.
So I'll be the one who knows, because I still have
Document the entire.
the most. It'll be like Cloverfield. It'll be like Chocolate Gate.
Watch me have like convulsions in the middle of the night, be like possessed by some crazy.
It'll be like Paranormal Activity or
Yeah.
something.
If you do, I'm not coming downstairs.
Paranormal
With the baseball
Chocolate
bat or not?
Activity.
The power of Christ compels you some holy water.
Power of, you know,
I don't know about you guys.
values.
The power of
Oh,
Chocolola
you.
compels you.
Oh me. Oh me.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm not feeling psychically healed at all.
Well, you didn't need the psychic healing. Me and my paralyzed dead sister.
Maybe she
who-
knew you were lying to her.
I don't know. She seemed pretty
What if
convinced.
she put a pox on the chocolates?
Well, then you know what? We'll go back to Borders tomorrow and we'll get that spell book. And you know what? We will have a cure.
We'll find the newt legs or
We'll
whatever
do
you might
it.
need.
We'll use the magical Viagra spell too.
Magical Viagra!
There was a magical Viagra spell.
It really was.
Nice.
It was
Very
it was splendid.
I wish I'd looked at the ingredients of that one.
Viagra and magic.
Give me a mystical erection that lasts no longer than 4 hours.
Grocery store
longer?
buy magic and Viagra. Consume both at the same
My
time.
little magic package.
You know how it goes. Nah.
Magical Viagra.
That was my favorite part.
Eat it like
Are you
me.
still filming?
Yeah, because I can.
Why?
Because I want to. He's coming closer.
I want the title of the video to be Magical Viagra.
I don't want to be tagged in that video.
It wouldn't matter because you're not on my friends
Matthew
list.
was tagged.
It doesn't matter. Although Sam could probably tag you in it.
Good.
You're
Not
not
like I
friends
will.
on Facebook?
No.
I can put you on the list so you don't see any of my stuff, but
It's one of those things where it's like, it's crossing a line. I don't need to be friends with my brother
Not
on
like it's
Facebook.
fun. Often.
Yeah.
That you know of.
That I know of, or if he's like secretly hiding.
secretly hiding
Or maybe
on
he's not.
Facebook.
No.
Or maybe he's not so
I
secretly
go
hiding.
offline all the time because there's so many annoying people that I don't want to talk to.
I put
just
them all.
hide
I
so
put them
people
all into a
perpetually-
list and
A
just
list?
and
Yeah.
go offline to that one.
I do that
Yeah.
too.
You can
and
do
that
that?
consists of pretty much everyone that I know.
Except for us,
I have a list
obviously.
for work,
Yeah.
for like all the Horizon teachers and people that annoy me, and then you know everything else. So
I didn't know you could do that. I'm gonna do
Yeah.
that.
I mean, it's like if you just want to go like not talk to anybody or talk to only your friends, you
Yeah.
can go off to the offline to those individual lists, and then
It's quite
you're all
handy.
set.
I've got a few creepy stalkers that email me.
Yeah, you know, you can put those on the list. Strike their names, line through their name.
Speaking
Put 'em on
of
a
creepy
blacklist.
stalkers, Presto contacted me recently about just.
Did you ever tell her about Presto?
I didn't tell you about Presto? Preston,
You might have.
my friend is here used loosely. He
I gotta sneeze.
yeah.
Bless you.
Documented. All right. God, cutting edge.
I met him, and I mean he seemed nice enough. He reminded me of my brother, but in a non.
Is this the kid from
obnoxious
On You?
way?
Who was kind of creeping on you?
Yeah. Basically, I forgot the N in his name when I put him into my phone. So, for pretty much this entire time of knowing him, he's been Presto. Presto Changeo, as another friend likes to call him.
Hi,
That's
Lucy.
basically,
Bye.